Granby Spreadable Pudding and Prawn. Another little special canapé for you. Granby's black and white pudding, and this one's spreadable. I haven't come across this before. I know the Dubs love this one, so I'm going to cook it up with some prawns. I'm going to fry up a little bit of bread, rub it a little bit of garlic. This is going to be superb. You're not needing to move this one once it goes in. That's the colour, that lovely crust. Prawns are going to cook for about 1 minute each side with a bit of salt. This is the spicy pimenton. And while we're at it, we're going to put in our bread. It's going to take on the flavours of the prawns and the puddings. And if you cook it this way, there's no calories because we've banned those. Now for a real little Spanish tapas twist, we're going to do pan con tomate with this fried bread, a piece of garlic just cut down the middle, and a cherry tomato. You just give the bread a little rub. You get your lovely little tomato, give it a squeeze, tiny touch of salt. The spreadable pudding. Oh yeah, baby. So you've got that softness and you've got that caramelised piece there. And then we've got our spicy prawn, some spring onion. You could also add a little bit of sweet chili sauce onto this, or a little squeeze of lemon, and this is going to be an absolute diamond.